Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today our topic is the difference between compiler and interpreter. Compiler and interpreter both are basically the language translator or language processor, and they convert the high level language into machine language. We know that the computer understands only machine language which consists of 0 and 1s, but human understand high level language. So programmer write the code in high level language. Therefore it is the functionality of compiler or interpreter that they convert high level language into machine language. And similarly, after execution on the computer system, when the computer system produce results, these language again convert from these results from machine language to high level language and shows us on the computer output monitor or printer. So this is the basic definition. Compiler and interpreter, these are also known as language processor, or language translator, because they convert machine language into high level language and high level language into machine. A compiler is a computer software that translates source program into object program. What is source program? This is another definition. What is source program? Compiler converts source program into object program. What is source program and what is object program? Source program, the program written in high level language. Let's see, source program consists of statement written in high level language such as C and Java, etc. And what is object program? When source program is converted into machine language, it is known as object program. We know that the machine language consists of 0 1 0 1 0 1 binary form. So object program also consists of 0 1 form. And source program consists of statement written in high level language. It means that source program consists of high level language code that generally programmer writes in C, Java, etc. And it is converted into object program for execution. Now come to the interpreter. Interpreter translates high level language programs into machine language. What are the high level language? I have already told C, Java, C++, VB. These are the high level language. It both have the same functionality. Compiler also convert high level language program into machine language. Interpreter also convert high level program into machine language. But the difference is that it translates one instruction at a time. कि ये एक वक्त में एक इंस्ट्रक्शन को कन्वर्ट करता है एंड एग्जीक्यूट इट इमीडिएटली बिफोर ट्रांसलेटिंग द नेक्स्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन. Example of programming language that use interpreter are JavaScript, Basic, Visual Basic. These are the high level languages that use interpreter for their conversion. What is the difference between compiler and interpreter? Both are language processor, both convert high level language into machine, but compiler translates the entire program into object program before execution. Compiler entire program को convert करता है, while interpreter translate one by one. लेकिन interpreter one by one statement को convert करता है object में. ठीक है? I have already mentioned it that interpreter it translate one instruction at a time, and the compiler instruction the entire program at a time before execution it. This is the basic difference, that the compiler translate the entire program while interpreter translate one by one. It convert one by one statement from high level language from source program into object program before execution. Any difficulties regarding this, you can ask me through WhatsApp or Messenger. Okay ji, thank you, Allah Hafiz.